Keen-eyed VidIQ subscribers will remember that a couple of weeks ago we told you about YouTube's Endscreen card and how they've been rolled out to every video creator and how to set them up for your videos. If you want to see our dedicated guide, then click on the video link in the top right of your screen now. Of course, this new feature provides a bit of a headache for an entire legacy of videos you might have on your channel that don't have these Endscreen cards. But whether it's 10, 100 or 1,000 videos, thanks to vidIQ's new bulk Endscreen manager, you can quickly copy Endscreen cards from one video to many or all of your other videos. To do this, once you have the vidIQ Chrome extension installed, on your video manager page, click on the vidIQ tool button next to a video and then click copy Endscreen. This will show you all the Endscreen elements. This is your video list. So again, you can select all, select none, or individually select which videos.
Gosh, they copied TubeBuddy verbatim. Okay, so that's good to know. I just gotta create... I mean, we're assuming also that this is actually gonna work. Let me see here. Alright, I just enabled it. Created my account, blah blah. Okay. Copy end screen. Select all. Next. All videos. Next. Select all. Next. I'm ready, copy Endscreens. Oh God. They tried to copy it overlapping the existing end screen elements, so then it says you exceeded the maximum number of elements. That's so stupid. They need to get their heads out of their butts. You know what? I'm gonna refresh the whole page. I'm abandoning that. This is probably gonna break the add-on though. Oh, I don't know if that was smart. I figured it was worth the risk though. That was gonna take a long time. That's what I get for trying to rush through. I'm sure there's a checkbox that says... Okay, you had to click off overwrite end screen annotations for these videos. Now, it should work. This might have saved me like 6 hours. My whole day. I don't know, it's maybe 4 hours. 3.5. It's worth. Take me home, country road, to the place I belong, West Virginia. I gotta put this onion in the refrigerator. Make a sandwich. It's one thing to create all new Endscreens once, but to do it twice, it's getting a little bit ridiculous. That's why I didn't want to do it this time. I figured there had to be some kind of mass Endscreen updater. 4 videos failed. Please check the videos in the above list to see which ones were not updated. Too short. Too short. Oh, that's fine.